Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to uninstall Amazon Assistant on Chrome. Click three dots on the top right corner. Click More Tools. Click Extensions. Click Remove. Click Remove. Amazon Assistant extension is successfully removed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.